Hello students, now let us study the basic economic concepts, that is unit 1. Now first of see, let us see what is economics. So economics is defined as from the Greek words okios, which means household, and nomos, which means management, that is household management. Economics means the wise production and use of wealth to meet the demand or needs of the people. Now let us see the nature of economics. Economics as a science and as an art. Economics is a social science, and economics is both positive and normative science. Economics is a science. It is science in the sense it is a systematic knowledge derived from scientific study, observation, and experiments based on scientific methods. Economics as an art. Economics is an art too, because an art is a system of rules for the attainment of given end. There are several branches of economics which provide practical guidance in the solution of economic problems. Economics is both positive and normative science. Positive science, it only describes what it is, and normative science prescribes what it ought to be. Positive science does not indicate what is good or what is bad to society. Normative science, it makes a distinction between good and bad. It prescribes what should be done to promote human welfare. Two branches of economics are microeconomics and macroeconomics. The macroeconomics is a branch of economics which is concerned with the behavior of individual entities such as market, firms, and household. Macroeconomics is a branch of economics which is concerned with the overall behavior and performance of the economy as whole. Now, the scope of microeconomics studies buying decisions of the individual, consumers' satisfaction, buying and selling decisions of the firm, the determination of prices and in markets, the quantity, quality, and variety of products, and profit. The scope of macroeconomic studies economic growth, unemployment and inflation, aggregate demand and aggregate supply, economic policies, fiscal and monetary, international trade, exports and imports, and money supply. Thank you.